Hi there! In this guide, we will walk you through how to view, download, and send payslips to your employees. To view payslips, start by clicking on Payroll. Then, click on a payroll month that has been approved. Or, run an approved payroll for the month that isn't approved yet to view payslips. Locate this section, and from here you can perform a couple of actions such as previewing payslips by clicking on Preview. A sidebar will appear where you can preview payslips for each employee. You can also send payslips to employees individually, or download them for your records. The crediting date is when the employee's salary will be deposited into their account. You can set it here. Or you can also regenerate payslips if needed. Once satisfied, you can click Send All to send payslips to all employees. When doing so, you can choose to password protect payslips for added security. You can also enter an email address to CC these payslips, so the recipient will receive a copy as well. Once sent, you can also click on View Payslips Sent. From here, you can view the name, date, and timestamp of when it was sent. Another way to download payslips is through the Employees tab. Select an employee that you wish to download payslips for. In this sidebar, click on the Payroll tab. And under Payslips, choose whether to download all or only for a specific month. Now, we will walk through a sample payslip and explore each of the sections so you can understand what each part represents. In the first part of the payslip, you will see the company details, payslip month, and when it was issued. In the second part of the payslip, you will see the employee's details. In the third section of the payslip shows gross earnings, employee and employer contributions, and other payroll items. And in the last part of the payslip, you will see the net earnings for the employee. And that's it. Did you enjoy the tutorial? Head over to the Help Center to learn more.